Chapter 1 Summary, Audience Analysis. When preparing a speech, one of the most important steps is understanding your audience. Audience analysis is the process of gathering and using information about your audience to shape your message. It helps ensure that your speech is not just delivered but understood and meaningful to those listening. A successful presentation is not just about what you want to say, it's about what your audience actually hears and takes away. Without audience analysis, speakers risk 3 common problems: confusion, irrelevance, and disengagement. If your message is too technical, your audience may not understand it. If it doesn't connect to their interests, it may feel unimportant. And if it doesn't engage them, you may lose their attention entirely. To better understand your audience, you can analyze 3 key areas: demographics, situational characteristics, and psychological characteristics. Demographics include factors like age, education, cultural background, and experience. These help you choose appropriate language, examples, and level of detail. Situational characteristics focus on the context of the speech. This includes the size of the audience, the purpose of the event, the time of day, and the setting. These factors influence your delivery style and level of formality. Psychological characteristics help you understand what your audience thinks and feels about your topic. This includes their attitudes, beliefs, values, and level of interest. One important concept to remember is self-interest. Audience members are more likely to pay attention when they see how your message relates to them. This leads to a key question every speaker should consider: what's in it for the audience? By focusing on the benefits of your message, you make your speech more relevant and engaging. Audience analysis is not something you do only before your speech. It continues while you are speaking. By paying attention to audience reactions, you can adjust your delivery to improve understanding and engagement. To summarize, audience analysis is the foundation of effective communication. By understanding your audience and adapting your message, you can create presentations that are clear, relevant, and engaging.